Hey, crypto crew, imagine investing just $1 a day in Bitcoin for the past 10 years. Would you be rolling in riches or still scraping by? Today, we're breaking down what $1 a day in Bitcoin from May 2015 to May 2025 would be worth, with Bitcoin now at a sizzling $109,000. Stick around for the jaw-dropping results and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto content. Let's set the stage. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, means investing a fixed amount, like $1, every day, no matter if Bitcoin's mooning or crashing. Back in May 2015, Bitcoin was just $230. Today, May 2025, it's trading at $109,000. By spreading your $1 daily buys over 10 years, you grab more Bitcoin when prices are low and less when they're high, taming the crypto chaos. So, what did this strategy do? Let's find out. Here's the deal. Starting May 27, 2015, you invest $1 a day in Bitcoin. That's $3,652 over 10 years, less than your average coffee budget. Bitcoin's been wild. It hit $19,000 in 2017, crashed to $3,300 in 2018, soared to $69,000 in 2021, and now sits at $109,000. By buying $1 worth of Bitcoin daily, you'd have accumulated about 0.17 to 0.18 Bitcoin by May 2025. Now the big reveal. At $109,000 per Bitcoin, your $3,652 investment is worth, hold on to your hats, $19,000 to $20,000. That's a return of over 420% to 450%, turning every dollar into about $5.20. Compare that to the S&P 500, where $1 a day might have grown to just $4,500 to $5,000. Bitcoin crushed it, but it wasn't always smooth sailing. Now let's keep it real. Bitcoin's a wild ride. It's dropped 80–90% in the past, and you'd need nerves of steel to keep investing through those dips. Plus, exchange fees, sometimes 25 cents per $1 trade, and taxes can nibble at your profits. This $19,000, $20,000 is based on past data, and crypto's future is anyone's guess. Only invest what you're okay losing, and always do your research. So, there you have it. $1 a day in Bitcoin turned $3,652 into $19,000 to $20,000 in 10 years at today's $109,000 price. That's the magic of dollar cost averaging. Want to crunch your own numbers? Check out a DCA calculator like bitbo.io, link in the description. Would you have kept investing through the crashes? Tell me in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Next up, we're tackling ETH. Stay tuned and keep stacking those sats.